Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna start off by applying the glue Pritt stick onto my eyebrows, and this is just gonna cancel out my eyebrows so we can create new ones. And I'm just gonna use a spoolie to kind of brush away my eyebrow hairs. Just a disclaimer guys, I am really ill, but I really wanted to upload this video just in time for Halloween so you guys can recreate this Pennywise look. To ensure that no eyebrow hairs is getting in the way and the surface is flat, you just want to keep repeating this step until you're satisfied. Then going ahead, I'm just going to apply some translucent powder to set my eyebrows in place. Then you want to go ahead and use a orange corrector. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal one, and I'm just applying that onto my eyebrows, then blending that all in using a beauty sponge. I'm using the Real Techniques one and ensuring that it's damp as well. So I went ahead and used the translucent powder to set that in place. This is why it's really vital to ensure that you take your time with the first step that we did previously. Time for the fun part, so I'm just going ahead and I'm using a face cream that I got from Amazon and applying that with a damp beauty sponge. I would recommend a sponge over a brush, just so that obviously you get a nice seamless white base for the look. At this moment, I wasn't really sure where this look was going, but obviously I kept the faith and it actually worked at the end anyways. But I'm just going ahead and I'm applying that white base with a white powder that I got with the face cream. So again, obviously I'm just going to put the link down below, and it's obviously from Amazon. And also you just want to ensure that you apply that onto your eyebrows as well. So Pennywise has really thin angry brows, so to recreate that look I went ahead and applied a black liner from Nyx. The first eyebrow was okay, but the second eyebrows kind of went crooked, but you know what, eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins, and it actually worked out at the end anyway, so we move. So with the eyeshadow, you want to create a really smoked out black smoky eye. So going ahead and I'm using like a really dark brown on my crease. So just going ahead and using the FAB Blush Palette, the pink shade, and I'm just going ahead and using that as a transition colour on my outer crease. I then went ahead and used this cool tone brown shade from the Makeup Forever HD palette as my base, but then I felt as though it wasn't giving me that dark black smoky eye look, so then I went ahead and used a black eyeshadow just to deepen that a little bit more. So once you apply your black eyeshadow on your eyelid, you then want to go ahead and get a blending brush to kind of blend that all into place, because you can see that it's not really as blended as it should be. So just going ahead with a blending brush, it would just kind of make it more seamless. Go ahead and use that black eyeshadow shade that you used before on your eyelid and just place that again, obviously just so that it's more darker. Using a black eye pencil of your choice, I'm just going ahead and actually lining my waterline. So creating that signature look that Pennywise has, I'm just tracing the lines with a red eyeshadow. You can use a red or burgundy eyeshadow. I think I used the Colourpop I Love Starr palette to create this look. But yeah, you can just follow the way that I'm just doing it. So to make that line more prominent, I'm just going ahead and using a white water paint that I got from Amazon. And you can just see here, I'm just following the line that we did earlier with the eyeshadow. Same paint, you want to go ahead and apply the lines on the above your eyebrows, just like Pennywise. A bit of dimension onto the face. You know we gotta still contour even though we're a clown now. So just going ahead and going back to that Nip and Fab blush palette, I'm just going ahead and contouring my face and my cheeks. Going ahead and deepening that contour, I'm just using the cool tone brown that we used earlier on our eyes. You contour, you may feel as though that you need to go over your lines that you did earlier, so you can go ahead and use the water paint. Then I went ahead and wiped away the excess white cream that was on my lips, just prepping me for my red lip liner. The liner that I'm using is from Rimmel London. You can use any red liner of your choice. Once you finish lining your lips, you want to go ahead and deepen them lines that we created on our face. I was creating this look, my liner actually ran out, so I opted out with using a lip brush to kind of apply the rest of the product. So to create that smudged look at the bottom of the eye to make it seem as though that it's real crying blood, I went ahead and added extra lines, as you can see. So I went ahead and used a red eyeshadow to kind of go over the lines and just to give it more of a better look. Went ahead and using a black eyeshadow. You can use any black shadow of your choice, and just basically setting that liner that we used earlier and just kind of going all the way down to where we place the tears. more depth, I went ahead and also used that black eyeshadow on the top of my eyebrows, just at the beginning of the line that we created previously. Now you want to apply your red lipsticks of your choice. So I'm just using a liquid lipstick. I'm using both the Jeffree Starr one and the coloured Raine one, just to give me that perfect shade. Create that red clown nose, you want to go ahead and use the red paint that we used earlier, and obviously I just wanted to trace that line in, and then obviously we'll just fill it in using a eyeshadow. So applying a black eyeshadow at the bottom of your nose kind of creates that contour look. Obviously we still need to be snatched even though we're a clown, but obviously it just creates more dimension into the face as well. So to create that exaggerated smile that Pennywise has going on, you want to add a black eyeshadow on the corners of your lips, connecting it to the end of the line. So going ahead and highlighting my nose and my cupid's bow, and obviously we still want to add a little bit of glow to the look, and we're also just putting that on the eyebrow bone as well. I really enjoyed recreating Pennywise for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!